The Heartless. That was climax of summer heat. Cry for water, the deadly thirst. One leopard ran madly in forest. All dry, prickly heat, sand and dust. Water, water, not a single drop. On hilltop and the valley down, the poor creature lost control and entered the nearby town. A stone was thrown in the calm water, silence of dark night was scattered. Run, run, chase a thunderstorm. People came out, cried and gathered. Brave in majority, frightened in self, 2 steps back and 1 step ahead. There a bullet shot, roar and thunder, fatal brutal pierced leopard's head. Leopard fell down city water tank. From a leakage water spread around, morning sun rays painted the rainbow. Dying leopard tried to lift wet ground. Dense forest jungles welcome the man. With fragrance of life they always greet. And heartless giant structures, the cities, they are real jungles of cement concrete.